Till now we completed rational numbers and how to write rational numbers on the number. What is the rational number? The numbers which are written in the form of p by q. Yes. So they are called as the rational numbers, and how to write rational numbers on the number line also we completed. So now we are going to learn about that rational numbers also can be written in the form of decimal forms. How it is possible to write? So rational number nothing but p by q form, nothing but which is having a numerator and also a denominator numerator. So normal division way, how we will write it now? Should be having a dividend, divisor, yes, and quotient and remainder dividend. Same like as you have to do the division. So one will be called as here in the form of which one here now? Suppose this is a 10 only. So 10 now. How to write this one? So 10 can be written in the form of as a dividend and 4 will be called as a divisor. So divide it 4, 2 is how much? 8. Okay. Then how to write now here? And 2, then by subtraction we are going to get only 2. 2 is less than 4. So what are we going to do now? Decimal point. If we are keeping the decimal point nothing but we are getting here 0. So 4, 5 are 20. So by subtraction how much you are going to get? 0. So therefore 10 by 4 value is 2.5. First one. Suppose if we go for the next one, 1 by 7. 1 by 7 nothing but 1 can be written in the form of, so and here 0 point because we are getting 0 here, and 7, 7 1 is 7, we are getting 3. So by subtraction and the decimal point already there means here 7 4 is 28 and 2 already decimal point there means we can take again 0 here. 7 2 is 40 and 6 again 0 here. 7 8 is 56. 4 again 0 here. 7 5 is 35. 5 0 here. Yes. And then again 7 7 is 49. How much you are getting? 10. So 10 again nothing but again 10. So automatically what we get now? Repeated terms. Nothing but 1 by 7 value is 0.142857. 142857. So it will be repeated. So what we can write now? 0.142857 is repeated. Yes. So the rational numbers can be written in the form of terminating, means decimal with ends. And here non-terminating. This is called as terminating. Terminating decimals. Yes, and this is repeated terms. Yes, repeated nothing but which are called as, which are not ending. Non-terminating decimals. Yes, and one more is there. The non-terminating one, the second one is there. So you remember this one. I go for the second one. 1 by 3. 1 by 3 also what we get now? 1 can be divided into which one here now? 3. So how much? 0 because of decimal point. 3 3 is 9 and 1 0 again you are going to get. 3 3 is 9 again you are going to get. 3 3 is 9 again you are going to get. Nothing but so 1 by 3 value is 0.333, which is also called as non-terminating. Non-terminating decimals. So non-terminating and repeating decimals. This is also what is that? Non-terminating, repeating. So the rational numbers can be written in the form of terminating decimals also or non-terminating decimals also. In the non-terminating decimals, non-terminating repeating, nothing but which is also called as recurring decimals. So repeating decimals are non-repeating decimals. I go for the non-repeating decimals. So what is non-repeating? 22 by 7. This you know already, which is called as a pi line. Yes. So 22 by 7 nothing but if I am dividing with 7, 22 can be. So 7 3 is 21, 1 0 it might be. 7 1 is 7 because with one decimal point. 3 0, 7 4 is 28 and 2 0 because of decimal point 1 0 you are going to get. So what you get now here? 7 2 is 40. Again what we are getting 60, 7 8 ja 56, 40, 7 5 ja 35. Any repeating terms are getting here? No. So what we can say now? This is non-terminating, non-repeating, which is also called as non-recurring decimal. So any rational numbers can be written in the form of decimals. That decimals also, one will be terminating, one will be non-terminating. In that non-terminating recurring decimals, non-terminating non-recurring decimals can be written. So this is the one way to write all the rational numbers in the form of decimals. And we have these decimals can be vice versa. Nothing but can be written in the form of rational numbers are possible or not. So we'll see that also. So what can be, suppose how it is to be written. Suppose these are the decimal point 0.25. This is the decimal. This decimal also can be written in the form of which one here now? Rational numbers. How? 0.25 nothing but first of all I am writing which one here now? 25 in the numerator. Remove this and write down 1. After the decimal how many numbers are there? 2. So we are going to get how much here now? 25 by 100. So 5 5 ja and 5 20. So 5 1 ja 5 4. So therefore the value is how much? 0.25 and also written in the form of 1 by 4. Yeah, where is whichever before we completed 1 by 4 can be written in the form of decimals and 0.5 decimals also can be written in the form of rational numbers. So 1 by 4. Suppose if I am going for the next problem 0.3 bar. What to do about 0.3 bar? Suppose this solution will be there. Write 0.3 in P by Q form. How to write this by? So suppose solution of it can be, suppose this I am writing x, let x 0.3 bar. X is equal to 0.3 bar. Bar is nothing but which is repeated value 3. So now how many decimal points are there? Repeated terms. Repeated terms. Decimals are only 1. So multiply 10 power, only 1 repeated, no 10 power 1, nothing but 10 on both sides. So I multiply 10 into x and 10 into 0.333 and so on. Yes, 10 into x nothing but 10x, 10 into this one only 1 0 to be forwarded to next one, nothing but 333 and so on. We have to subtract the x value, so minus x and wherever the decimal point is there we should write, and here before 0 after that 333 is there, 333. So by subtracting of this one what will get here now? This all will be getting 0 0 0 values. 3 minus 0 is how much? 3. 10 minus x is how much here now? 10x minus x, nothing but here 1. 10 minus 1 will be 9x. Yes, so 9x is equals to 3. X is equals to 3 by 9. So 3 1 ja 3 3. So 1 by 2. So nothing but x, what is x? 0.3 bar. 0.3 bar is the value of 1 by 2. Reversely we did it. So rational numbers can also be written in the form of decimals. Yes, non-terminating decimals also can be written in the form of P by Q form. So this can be possible. Yes, so all the rational numbers can be written in the form of terminating decimals and non-terminating decimals. Non-terminating how it will be? Non-terminating decimals will be in the form of two types. Non-terminating recurring decimals, non-terminating non-recurring decimals. So this is about the rational numbers which we completed. Some questions are going to be waiting. You do the homework. These are the homework problems. I am going to explain. Now you have to do that as homework problems. First one, write the following in P by Q form. First one, that 1.25. Second one, 0.69. Okay, now second one, write. Okay, here only I am going to give it 1.23 bar. This is the homework you have to complete it. Okay, children. And next we are going for the exercise problems are there. Till that, you do that whatever I explained in this one before video and this video also. You have to copy in your classwork and keep it ready. And the homeworks will be whatever we are giving. Write down